Great. How y'all doing? Great. Wow. Oh. So I guess I'll be the first demo of the day.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah,
well, I guess.
So she's fresh. So I guess I get the one off for you.
This is insane, man. A lot of craftsmen in this, and you did all of it.
Yeah. No. It's this is John Nolte's bolt.
John. Oh, Nolte. Yes, that's right. Yep. Yes.
I bought it
wow.
So it's all him.
So, enclosure, equipment, all of that, real quick, if you can.
4 NSV4, Sundown audio, 15s.
Uh-huh.
This was a Sound Digital build.
Okay.
The 2 main amps, the 8800s, are out for repair. So I got a 2 tower amp, AKs.
Okay.
Bass. The rest is Sound Digital, mids and highs.
Yep. And it's illusional. Whoa, with the glass. That is awesome.
Yes.
Man. You're a low end monster if I remember right. Like how is your lows?
It plays 18 to 80.
18. Man, all right.
My personal preference is it's low.
Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, I'd love a demo, man. That'd be great.
Absolutely.
That is awesome. You have a little, what is it called?
Yeah, mechanical
tensioner?
throttle. Yeah, mechanical throttle. It's acting up. It's acting a little funky.
Uh-oh.
Get out of it. Yeah, something broke internally.
That's not good. Is it a louder window up or down normally with wind and all?
Down. I mean, unless we do a hair trick.
Hair trick, yeah, we would love a hair trick. Yeah, we haven't had very many hair tricks. That would be great.
Okay.
I would love a hair trick. We're gonna hair trick. He's really good on the hair tricks.
I'll try.
Ready when you are, man. Wow.
Ready?
Yes, sir. You messed your hair up my head. I appreciate it, man. That was great. That's a good song.
It doesn't matter.
26 hertz.
Yeah.
That was clean.
That's where she peaks at.
That was really windy, like that pressure on that. Thank you, man. That was great.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
That was nice.
What's your Instagram?
Mr. Loud.
Mr. Loud. All right.
brother.
I remember seeing you. All right. Thanks, Mr.
All right.
Loud.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Jacob.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations on the win.
Oh, thank you, man.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.